Withdrawing funds held by PlayStation can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation Network account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once logged in, go to the Account Management section. From there, select Wallet to view your current balance and transaction history. Step 3. Check withdrawal options. Look for the option to withdraw funds. Depending on your region, there may be different methods available, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Review the available options carefully. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your wallet. Ensure that it does not exceed your available balance and complies with any minimum withdrawal limits. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can successfully withdraw funds held by PlayStation. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for assistance.